and it is the best for your health, especially if you are not diabetic and if you don't want to lose weight. Assalamu alaikum, wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and I have been asked many times, because when I tell people to go sugar free, what they do is they start brown sugar or honey or jaggery, thinking that this is better than white sugar. And actually, it might be better. We'll discuss that in a while. But the thing is, these sugars, these have the same glycemic index. What is glycemic index? Glycemic index is the ability of any food to raise your blood sugar levels. Any extra sugar will obviously become fat. So if you are wanting to lose weight, or if you are diabetic, what you need to do is to take a sweetener that has a very low glycemic index, hopefully 0. Okay, I've made many videos on the glycemic index of sweeteners and which sweeteners are suitable for keto diet or low carb diet. Do subscribe to our channel to view all those videos. Anyway, right now we are discussing the glycemic index of honey and jaggery and brown sugar. So the glycemic index of white sugar is 68. Okay, now we'll see the glycemic index of, let me read it out for you. Glycemic index of brown sugar is 64. Not much of a difference. Calorie wise, you are getting the same calories. Okay, similarly in case of honey, the glycemic index ranges from 45 to 64 depending on what type of honey it is. If your honey is not pure, it is going to have the same glycemic index. And in case of jaggery also, you can see the glycemic index ranges from 60 to 100. Again, the glycemic index is same. Their ability to raise your blood sugar levels is almost same as your white sugar. The only difference is in white sugar you have toxins. Let me just describe you how these sugars are made. First of all, you get sugarcane. From the sugarcane you get sugarcane juice. This sugarcane juice is actually cooked for a long time, till the time it first becomes molasses, a sticky black fluid, and then it is further cooked and it becomes jaggery. Now jaggery, although it has the same glycemic index, but it retains most of the nutrients of the sugarcane. So it, and plus it does not have any anti-nutrients. It does not leach off your nutrition when it goes into your body. The thing is, after jaggery is made, usually it is bleached and then chlorinated. When it is bleached and chlorinated, it becomes white sugar. This white sugar has no nutrition in it. In fact, it has anti-nutrients and toxins. Toxins in the sense, the chlorine which was used, the bleaching agents that were used, all these things are toxic to human health. Okay, and like jaggery, it will have a small amount of iron and other minerals which are present in sugarcane. But in case of white sugar, it is null and void of those. And in case of honey, although again it has the same glycemic index, but it is rich in some nutrients. In all of these four sweeteners, as I told you, the ability to raise your sugars is the same, but the amount of nutrients is somewhat different. If you want to take something that is sweet and that is very healthy for you, then they have done research and they have found that there are some sweeteners which have very high antioxidant level. What is an antioxidant? Antioxidant is something which, when goes into your body, it neutralizes the toxins or the oxidants. In other words, it makes you younger or healthier. And the sweetener which is naturally sweet and which is very rich in antioxidants, in fact most rich in antioxidants, is date sugar. Date sugar is basically dried dates which have been ground up. Basically, date sugar is a whole food. Okay, the fiber of the dates, all the iron, the manganese, all the vitamins and minerals of the date are preserved in date sugar. So that's why date has the highest level of antioxidants, and it is the best for your health, especially if you are not diabetic and if you don't want to lose weight. Like for growing kids, date sugar is the best thing if you can add that to their smoothies or their chocolates and whatever. The second best thing is molasses. As I told you, once the sugar is made from the sugarcane, the first step is molasses. This sticky black fluid, I'll try to make this for you also. This sticky black fluid is rich in antioxidants, and this can also be used, and it is a very healthy option to sweeten the juices of your kids or the sweet. This is in sharp contrast to white sugar or brown sugar, which when go into your body, they make ages. Ages are basically advanced glycation end products. What happens is they actually get stuck up with your blood cells. and then these blood cells become sticky and then they go around sticking. If it sticks in your heart, it results in what is called heart attack. If it sticks in your brain, it becomes what is called brain attack or stroke. So the thing is, sticky blood or glycated blood is not good, and this is what is actually bad with the white sugar or the brown sugar. So choose your sweetener very wisely. If you are diabetic or you want to lose weight, stevia, monk fruit, erythritol, these are the best and natural sweeteners. And if you don't wish to lose weight, you don't have a problem of diabetes, for like growing kids or like old people, the best thing is to use date sugar or molasses. In the comment section below, let me know what kind of sweetener do you use, what kind of sweetener do your kids use, and share this video with all your family and friends so they also know which sweetener is the best for them and which is the richest in the antioxidants. So take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.